Yeah, I'm on a run. Here I come. I'm with your mom. If I come, I get the squeeze on the mob. I'm on a run, bitch. I just took off on the cops. Don't need a charm, bitch. I need a lawyer in rocks. I got the drum, bitch. Body connects on these dots. Yeah, I just might catch today. Lamborghini Europe paper tag today. When I've been at Conor, man, a rim, bitch.
Le décorum qu'on va toujours rêver.
Fuck around and drop a few bags today. I just might do the whole dash today. Might use the y'all dash today. Nigga might crew through biscuits. Trapping out the incontinent. Bitch can't pay my check.
Vous avez compris si vous plaît. Ah les mecs, c'est le Ostendie, super fort. De la collation. Imprenable sur tout Paris. Le jeune rebeu qui gravit les échelons comme les étages de la Tour Eiffel, évidemment. Ah non, c'est fort, c'est fort.
In the drop, nigga, my dog had them 10 key. Secret service, so everything is touchscreen. I had walked in, locked in, inserted key. Automatic, cake, baguette, stick cabbage, no camera, cake. Yeah, bitch, God sake, check up your wrist.
Les mecs, ça commence à s'agiter. Pourquoi? Parce qu'on est à 2 minutes du début de la conférence de presse. On va y aller tranquillement. On va rester calme cette fois-ci, ça va pas être comme Yoka Takam. On va pas être là pour choquer, on va être là pour être pertinent. Il y a du monde derrière moi, je sais pas si on m'entend bien, mais c'est parti. Mets bien ton tel, toi.
If I come, I get the squeeze on the mob. I'm on a run, bitch. I just took off on the cops. Don't need a charm, bitch. I need a lawyer in rocks. I got the drum, bitch. Body connects on these dots. Yeah, I just catch today. Lamborghini Europe paper tag today. When I've been at Conor, man, a rim, bitch. Very, very good with the captain. Chanel, she can get a little tad today. Fuck around and try.
And here we go. What a great scenery. The heart of the Eiffel Tower. Bellator welcomes you for its second edition in the City of Lights. Beautiful Paris will set this Friday, May 12th for Bellator 296. Hello and welcome once again in Paris, as we said. Is record to 20 wins for Losses. He's a former Road FC champion, M1 champion, former PAMA champion, the new face of the lightweight division, Mansour, the Afro Samurai, Barnawi. I'm going to take your questions. If you feel like you want to ask them in English, go ahead. I'll provide translation. Otherwise in French, and I'll give you a translation. Can we get a microphone for this gentleman?
Merci.
Votre média, your media, who you work for, who do you represent?
Bonjour à tous. Pouce le retour pour le média Les Retours de Pouce. J'ai deux questions pour Scott. Je vais commencer en français afin que tout le monde puisse comprendre, puis je vais switcher en anglais pour avoir la réponse de l'intéressé. So, hello everyone, I'm Pouce le retour for the media Les Retours de Pouce. I have two questions for Scott. So, it is known by all that the UFC is the leader of mixed martial art in the world. But in France, the sport is pretty new, and there is a large market shares to conquer. So, what's your long-term goal in France, and do you think that you can become the number one in our country?
You know, I tell you, there is many different organizations around the world that are popular, and you know, we're going to focus on our business and growing our business. I think if you look at our different champions in our different weight classes, we definitely have fighters that I think could beat the UFC fighters right now. At 205, Vadim Nemkov, Johnny Evelyn. No one's going to beat Johnny Evelyn at the UFC. 170, same thing with Amosov. So, you know, to me, I'm going to focus on our fighters. We're going to focus on building our business. You know, this fight will be airing in 160 countries around the world. We have a deal with Showtime Television back in the US. We have a deal with the BBC in the UK, Virgin in Ireland. We have Channel 10 in Australia. So this is going to have worldwide distribution, and we're going to focus on our business, keep our head down, and just keep playing forward. And that's really been something that I think that will ultimately create great success for this company. But, you know, we're a company that's owned by Viacom, which is a very big media conglomerate, and they've been very supportive. And I'd like to thank Steven Espinosa from Showtime Television Networks back home. He's been very supportive of mixed martial arts, and, you know, we're going to go onward and forward.
On fait quoi là, Ousmane?
Là, on essaie de trouver des opportunités.
Ok.
On vient de prendre dans le grappin. Faut en profiter. Tant qu'on est dans la boîte, on reste dedans.
Faut être aussi vite que sur ça, non?
Great premise against the Afro Samurai, Mansour Barnawi. Thank you, gentlemen. Mousasi Edwards, highlighting Bellator 296, Friday, May 12th, Accor Arena. And you'll get to have the champions maybe with their belts.
Les mecs, dès cette conférence de presse, on a pu poser nos questions. Il y a eu un petit flop parce qu'on voulait faire un format et avec une date, ça n'a pas marché. On a pu distribuer nos cartes, parler aux grappins présents, on s'est fait remarquer. On a fait un petit coup d'audace, un petit coup de culot en parlant au rédacteur en chef du RMC Fighter Club pour espérer passer dans la review Anne Lomachenko. On verra bien ce que ça donne. Maximum risque, maximum récompense. En tout cas, là on va se quitter et on se donne rendez-vous dans quelques secondes pour l'événement de vendredi. Salam alaikum les gars, Hooks le retour, de retour pour la fight card cette fois-ci, 3 jours après la conférence de presse, soirée dans un décor exceptionnel. Et oui, l'Accor Hotel Arena de Bercy qui va accueillir plus de 10 000 spectateurs ce soir. Et en plus de ça, accrédité, donc le haut standing en loge et salon. Bah là vous allez venir avec moi les mecs et je vais vous faire vivre la soirée au plus près. Bah les mecs, ça commence très mal. Ça commence très mal parce que pas sûr qu'on puisse faire rentrer l'appareil photo. Bon après au pire on fera au téléphone, c'est pas grave. Mais comme j'ai un objectif balèze, bon les mecs, changement de qualité. Mon appareil photo n'est pas rentré. Bon, je suis rentré avec en mode vlog, je suis un peu con parce que les zooms de plus de 100 mm ne sont pas acceptés. Ils ont essayé de m'arrêter, mais ils peuvent arrêter du matériel, mais ils ne peuvent pas arrêter l'imagination d'un homme. C'est pourquoi on a changé. Téléphone, micro iPhone, mais c'est pas un souci. On va quand même vous emmener au plus près d'une soirée d'exception à l'Accor Hotel Arena, en loge et salon. Franchement, un endroit carrément exceptionnel. Là, je souris puisque les gens ils sont en train de sourire puisqu'ils me voient, tu vois, mais grandiose. Grandiose. Franchement, c'est un rêve de gosse, là, on a toujours rêvé d'être là. C'est très symbolique, surtout dans un lieu aussi, on va dire pas luxueux non plus, mais aussi de haut standing pour un mec comme moi qui est un mec simple, tu vois. Moi, je suis un gars comme vous, je mange comme vous, je défolleur comme vous. Je sens qu'il va être chaotique ce vlog là. Je sais pas si. Ouais. Bon, ça prête à rentrer en range, les mecs. Hein. Merci beaucoup. Exceptionnel.
She want Chanel, go get it. She want Chanel, go get it. She want this Betty, go get it. She want the Burke, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spike, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she get it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. How about the Gucci, she get it. A shot to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on the TV. Anything she wants, she can get it. Anything you see, you can get it. He go the keys to the Bentley. When I fuck her, I got good intentions. I just can't get my pound to start itching. What on me like I live with the fishes. More than every color and tennis. Never put in on my niggas.
She want Chanel, she can get it. Louis V bag and Dior, her tin. They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the one of them doors be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no card.
21h30 les mecs, la main card a commencé il y a peu. Et bon là c'est un combat féminin donc on va tranquillement aller faire autre chose. Non, non. Mais bref, on va essayer de voir un peu ce qui se passe pendant les gros combats qui arrivent.
Bag and Dior, her tin. They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the one of them doors be spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no card. New G wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she ain't post her body. Check price tag, you want it, you get it. Yo, big dog a fan, you scared to admit it. Get 6 for a show, I'm handling business. LA for a month, get away from the city. Sipping this syrup, I'ma need a new kid. Just tell me where it's at, and I'm going to get it. Whatever I say, she on it. New Range Rover, she on it. We don't do no, she on it. Running out of space for the best of her cars. Running through checks every day, no fraud. Rose gold president, she roll it, look polished. Bad little bitch, good brain, go college. Ain't really got a favorite, nothing I call it. Big bank, gold, I ain't told no wallet. On withdraw, nickname deposit. T-Pain flies, I call her my shot. My shot. She want Chanel, go get it. She want Chanel, go get it. She want the Spinny, go get it. She want the Brick, go get it. She want this Gucci, she get it. She want this Louis, go get it. Lose with the spice, she get it. Everything I got, she getting it. Yeah, Billy Sedan, she get it. How about the bitch, she get it. How about the Lil, she get it. The Porsche Cayenne, she get it. How about the Gucci, she get it. A shirt to the shoe, she get it. I put my kids on the TV. Anything she wants, she can get it.
Introducing Henry Lanamor Gallo.
C'est cool qu'ils mettent le mec ici, puisque c'est le côté média. Ils auraient dû le mettre de l'autre côté. Il l'a arrêté alors qu'il a pas tapé.
Bellator cage with the Darce choke in time. It comes to an end. 2 minutes, 12 seconds. Round number 1, winner by submission. Saul the Hanghead Roger.